Once upon a time in a land far, far away, a project was created by Paul Ramstad and Aurora Luong for the course, Electrical Engineering 3, Introduction to Electrical Engineering, at UCLA. The project was entitled, Optically Controlled Drawbridge. The drawbridge was commissioned by benevolent dictator Jean Bloch, so that his loyal subjects could travel from their tavern, called B-Plate, to their location of scholarly study and occasional naps, called Powell Library. This bridge would allow the subjects to avoid descending down the hill, into the deadly chasms and crevices infested by athletes. However, to allow the magical flying devices in the sky, called helicopters, to be able to pass over the chasms and crevices, the bridge had to be able to be raised. The bridge was constructed from the finest materials of the time: foam board, hot glue, tape, and a Sharpie. The bridge could be raised or lowered by two buttons, one of which was labeled up, and one of which was labeled down. When the up button was pressed, a magical spinning device, called a DC motor, would pull on a string, and the bridge would begin to rise. The bridge would continue to rise until a small white flame, called an LED, passed in front of a powerful force detector, called a photoresistor. When the down button was pressed, the magical spinning device would lower the string, and the bridge would fall. The bridge would continue to fall until, once again, the small white flame passed in front of another powerful force detector. How was all of this magic tied together? What powerful wizard was able to control this much sorcery? A clever, crafty and resourceful wizard that went by the name Arduino. Once built, the bridge was an incredible success, and all of the subjects were overjoyed by the magnanimity of their dictator Jean Bloch, and a giant celebration was held in his honor. It was called a block party.